Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sarah Nabil Octaviani with the register number 19101172200004, and I'm from Advanced Speaking A1. Today I'm going to make an article presentation with the title Telegram App in Learning English EFL Students Perception by Zahra A. Abu Aifah. So first of all, I'm going to explain the background of the study. Um, We know that the current generation is growing up in a digital world. They use mobile devices in their daily educational situations. The use of mobile devices has been integrated rapidly into EFL teaching and learning in all aspects. And one of the mobile application is called Telegram. Many previous studies prove the effectiveness of the Telegram in teaching and learning and in the English language. So then we come to the conclusion for the research objective for the study. Because of that, it is crucial to know how EFL students find Telegram as a tool that assists them in English language learning. Therefore, this study investigated the EFL college students' perception of using Telegram for English language learning. Then I'm going to explain the theoretical framework of the study. In general, there are two theoretical for the study. It is the impact of Telegram in teaching and learning English and the effectiveness of using Telegram in teaching and learning English. But I'm going to explain why um, it has become one of the reason for the background. It becomes the background for the study too. Um, from the many studies, they found that language learning must be a crucial lifelong continuation that can be accomplished in a diversity of ways according to social, working, and educational life necessities, as well as personal needs and interests. This is from the research by Kulku Sahulme, Agnes, and then Helen Lee and Norris in 2017. One of the most imperative languages this day is English. It is the most spoken language in the world and the language of different sciences such as computers, aviation, tourism, and diplomacy. Therefore, much effort is exerted to find appropriate methods in learning English. Many previous studies by Haydari Sahreza and Hoda Rahmi in 2018 and Sodabande in 2017, they proved that the effectiveness of the Telegram app in teaching and learning English, uh, English. The adoption of Telegram in English language learning have shown different angles of EFL learners English language skills, such as reading comprehension ability, vocabulary, writing skill, and improving speaking skill. For example, in the study by Naderi and Akrami in 2018, they stated that using Telegram groups in instruction has a significant effect on the learner's reading comprehension ability. They affirmed that it improved the learner ability in reading comprehension. Moreover, the students had a positive attitude about learning new words via Telegram. Gaimi and Gosan in 2018 examined the effect of short message service by Telegram on EFL students' vocabulary learning process. They assert that the use of SMS via Telegram as a teaching tool affected students' vocabulary learning positively. On the other hand, Bello and Hadiza in 2017 indicated that the usability of using Telegram as a teaching tool. They assigned that Telegram could provide English teachers with appropriate materials to produce valuable and good instruction. The researchers recommended English teachers to prepare well to be able to use Telegram in the classroom effectively. Then Zare in 2015 examined the effectiveness of using the Telegram application as a teaching tool for language learning. The study investigates the effect of using the Telegram application on providing feedback and developing writing accuracy in second language, and to investigate students' perceptions of using Telegram application for writing purpose. In their findings, it showed that the experimental group using Telegram have better performance than the control group. Student perception showed usefulness and satisfactions of using the Telegram for writing purposes. Therefore, the current study aimed to investigate FL college students' perception of using Telegram in English language learning, and they hope that the results reflect on the current study may provide an understanding of mobile learning, particularly in English language learning via Telegram. They think that it will assist decision makers in developing successful strategies for mobile learning adoption. Then, the research method that they use in the study is a descriptive study with a quantitative research strategy. There are 106 1,609 people in total, with 1,161 females and 448 males. They were 300 EFL college students and 200 female and 100 males selected randomly from the Department of English and Translation at Tibah University in Al Medina, Al Manwarah in Saudi Arabia. The research um, collected data via a questionnaire. The participant had to complete an individual questionnaire. All of the participants approached online, and the questionnaire was presented via Google Online Survey. Their instrument design is a questionnaire consists of demographic question and 24 statements related to the research issue. Then, in their data collection procedures, first of all, the researcher collected the data from the questionnaire. Then, the instrument that was um, before the instrument was evaluated by 5 professionals from the Department of Teaching English for other speaker of language. Then, after the revision from the professional feedback, the questionnaire was submitted to Deanship for graduate studies. Then we come to the findings of the study. We can see from the diagram. The first question is, how often do participants use Telegram? There are 4 answers. There are 22% that answered every day, 15% answered occasionally, 33% answered 3 to 4 times a week, and 30% once a week. Then the second question is the reason participants use Telegram. There are 4 answers. The first one is both language skill improvement and entertainment. There are 35% that choose this option, and 29% choose language skill improvement, 10% choose entertainment, and 26% choose other option. Then we have the table for general usage of Telegram for English language learning. There are 6 categories, which are vocabulary, reading, grammar, listening, speaking, and writing. We can see from the table, it is ranked from 1 to 6. There are 66% that choose it, they use it for vocabulary learning, and then 64% for reading, 62.9% for grammar, 57.6 for listening, 56.8 for speaking, and 56.7 for writing. So the most usage for Telegram for English language learning is vocabulary according to them, and the least usage is for writing. From the result, it appeared that many students trust Telegram and use it for English learning purposes. Telegram has an impact on English language learning, English skills such as reading, writing, listening, and speaking. They affirm that it improved the learner's ability in reading comprehension. Telegram is perceived as the ease of sharing personal ideas and peer feedback as well as the teacher feedback to the student. So we can come to conclusion that the study that EFL learners find Telegram as a useful application for learning English in every aspect, including listening skill, speaking skill, reading skill, writing skill, grammar learning, and vocabulary learning. I guess that's all for my article presentations for today. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.